Hello students, I am Shubhashish. Today we are going to learn the new topic, types of quadrilaterals. Imagine you're in a playground with a giant sandbox. As you draw shapes in the sand, you might notice some shapes with 4 sides, like the outline of a sandbox or a square playground. These shapes are called quadrilaterals. Let's think about some everyday examples of quadrilaterals. A picture frame. Look around your room. How many picture frames do you see? Most of them are rectangles or squares, which are special types of quadrilaterals. They have 4 sides and 4 corners. A chessboard. A chessboard is made up of a grid of squares, and each square is a quadrilateral. Each square has 4 sides and 4 right angles. Your desk. The top of your desk is often a rectangle or square, both of which are quadrilaterals. Notice how each corner of your desk is a right angle and each side is straight. Windows and doors. Many windows and doors are rectangular or square, meaning they are quadrilaterals too. Today, we will explore the different types of quadrilaterals, their properties, and how to find their angles, just like how you might use a ruler to measure sides or a protractor to measure angles in these shapes. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know types of quadrilaterals, trapezium and its properties, kite and its properties, parallelogram and its properties. Keywords from this lesson: quadrilateral, trapezium, kite, parallelogram, diagonal, vertex, parallel sides. Children, now let us see types of quadrilaterals. Based on the nature of sides and angles, quadrilaterals have different names. Trapezium, kite, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square. Now we will learn each type. Trapezium. It is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. Properties of a trapezium. A trapezium has exactly one pair of parallel sides. These are called the bases. Non-parallel sides are called legs. The sum of the interior angles in a trapezium is 360 degrees. The sum of the angles of two adjacent sides is equal to 180 degrees or supplementary. Now we will learn about another type of quadrilateral, that is kite. A kite is a quadrilateral with two distinct pairs of adjacent sides that are equal in length. In other words, a kite has two pairs of consecutive sides that are congruent. Properties of a kite. A kite has two pairs of adjacent sides that are equal. The sides AB equals to AD and BC equals to CD are equal. One of the diagonals is bisected by the other diagonal and the diagonals intersect at right angles. The sum of the interior angles of a kite is equal to 360 degrees. The angles between the pairs of equal sides are equal. Now we will learn about parallelogram. Parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Properties of a parallelogram. The opposite sides are parallel and equal. The opposite angles are equal. The sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees. Diagonals bisect each other. Each diagonal bisects the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Now we will see some examples. Example 1. Find the perimeter of the kite ABCD whose sides are 6 cm and 10 cm. Solution. Given sides are 6 cm and 10 cm. That is, AB equals to BC equals to 6 cm. CD equals to DA equals 10 centimeter. We know that the perimeter is sum of all sides. Perimeter equals to 6 plus 6 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 32 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the kite is equal to 32 centimeter. Example 2. REST is a parallelogram. Find the value of x, y and z. Solution. Given angle R is equal to 100 degrees. We know in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So, angle S is opposite to angle R. That means, angle R is equal to angle S is equal to 100 degrees. That is, x equals to 100 degrees. And line ST and BE are parallel lines and ES is a transversal. By this we can say x equals to y equals to 100 degrees, that is corresponding angles. And also, we know that the adjacent angles in a parallelogram are supplementary. Angle R plus angle E is equal to 180 degrees. X plus Z is equal to 180 degrees. 100 plus Z is equal to 180. Z is equal to 180 minus 100. Z equals to 80 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 100 degrees, y equals to 100 degrees and z is equal to 80 degrees. Points to remember. Trapezium. One pair of parallel sides. Sum of interior angles equals to 360 degrees. Adjacent angles between parallel and non-parallel sides are supplementary. Kite. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Diagonals intersect at right angles with one diagonal bisected by the other. Sum of interior angles equals to 360 degrees. Parallelogram. Opposite sides are both parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Thanks for watching.